So guys, I came across this platform on YouTube that have been making waves, and the name of the website is called QuanToke, right? It's kind of like a grid project. You can see the interface. It actually looks like the interface of an exchange, look like the interface of Bytebit and Binance, right? So this platform, guys are actually making funds out of this platform. So I've decided to give it a look so that I'm going to be reviewing this project, and also I'm going to be making my own little investment to this project to see how I'm going to be making money from this project. Okay. So I will encourage you to actually watch the video right from the beginning to the end to see how this project actually works. Okay, I'm going to be going into full details on how this project actually works. Okay, if I come down here where it talks about, you can see this quantify. If you click here, you can see that there's actually you can see there's something like just like a turnaround circle stuff here, where you, when you click on this button here, it's going to be spinning. Okay, and it's going to spin for 5 good times for you to be able to earn. Now as soon as you sign up, they're going to be giving you this 20 USDT as bonus. But you know what, I will advise you not to take that as the whole. Okay, I will encourage you to like try to put in your own funds if you want to do that, so that you'll be able to see how this thing actually works, because with this you cannot really make withdrawal. Okay, but first and foremost, for you to get started, you need to get signed up on this website. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is this: you're going to click the link in the description of this video. When you click on that link, and that link is going to bring you here, right? So you're going to fill in all these details: your name, your phone number, your email, your password, and all that. Okay, and also I'm going to be dropping the link to my invitation code in the description of the video. Just copy that invitation code and put it here. But if you click on that link, then automatically it's going to be here. Then just click on register. Okay, now we click on register, then automatically it's going to bring you here, and you'll be able to have access to this website. Now I'm going to be showing you the different kind of earning opportunity that they actually have here. Okay, so on this particular website, the minimum amount you can put or you can invest into this project is actually $10. Okay, now with $10 you have the opportunity of earning 1.3% to 1.5% every single day. Okay, which is approximately like 75 cents every day. That's if you are putting $10. Okay, now if I click here, this next, you're going to see it here. You can see it here. You can see this V1, that is VIP1, or you can see the first step. Okay, you can call it VIP1, or you can call it the first step. You can see the potential earning here, 1.3 30% to 1.50%. Okay, and you can see the minimum amount you can invest there, which is the 10 USDT that I told you here. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to be making, you know, I like to test all those projects to see how it goes before I show you to you guys. So in this video together, I'm going to be making investment. I'm going to start with this first one, okay, to see how it goes. So I'm going to be making deposit of my 10 USDT for this V1, okay, which is the 10 USDT. Now if I click on this next, you'll see the second one, which is this V2. The minimum you can invest in this one is 100 USDT. Okay, but on this particular one, you're going to be earning up to 1.70%. Okay, then you go to the other one, you're going to see the V3. The minimum you can invest in this particular one is about 500 USDT, and you're going to be earning up to 1.80%. Okay, then the fourth one you're going to be seeing is 2000 USDT, but you're going to be earning up to 2% daily on this particular one. Okay, so you're going to be looking at the one that actually fits your risk appetite, and you're going to be putting your funds into it. Okay, now if you look at this particular one, this one of these this $10, let me show you now. This one of these $10 that I actually showed you earlier, what you're going to be earning on this particular one every single day, like I rightly told you, is going to be about 75 cents every day. Okay, so if you put in more money, you can imagine you're going to be making more money from it, and this thing is going to be lasting for approximately 90 days. For this V1, you're going to be earning that fund for 90 days, but if you go with this one, you're going to be earning these funds for 365 days. Wow, so you can see how this thing actually works. Okay, so if you want us to actually do the maths, let's look at it like, okay, let's assume you want to put in 100 USDT here. Okay, let's assume you want to put in 100 USDT. Okay, if you put in 100 USDT, are you going to be earning, let's say, times 1.7? Okay, let's say 1.7, right? This is what you're going to be earning per swing. Remember, you're going to be clicking on this thing for good 5 times. You can see here I've not done any one. That is why it's showing of 0/5 here. Okay, so here you're going to be doing it times 5. So here you can see if you put in $100, you're going to be earning 1.7%, which is 1.7 US dollar. Okay, then you're going to say times 5. Okay, you're going to say times 5. So you can see in a day, if you put in $100 into this project, you're going to be earning 8.5 USDT. If you put in 100 USDT, you're going to be earning 8.5 USDT. So that's how the list actually goes on. Okay, now for me to actually show you how this thing works, first and foremost, I would like to make a deposit into this project. So let me click on this recharge here. Okay, like I rightly told you, I just want to do the one for the $100, $10. You know, they have the $10, the $100, the $500. They have the $2,000, $5,000, and the $10,000. But let me start with this minimum to see how it goes. Okay, so here I'm going to click on recharge. Now, when I click on recharge, they are going to give me a USDT wallet address, which is this. Okay, so let me quickly copy this. Okay, I'll copy this, then I'll go to my exchange, I'll go to Binance, and I'm going to be sending the 10 USDT to this USDT wallet. Okay, sending the 10 USDT. So I'm going to wait for the 10 USDT to reflect here. As soon as it reflects here, then I'm going to unlock. Okay, it has appeared. Okay, so you can see my 10 USDT just appeared here, right? And the next thing you need to do is just to unlock the level of the amount of money that you've deposited. You know, in my own case, because I deposited $10, right? So you can see this is what I've been able to unlock, which is this current level. You can see I'm on V1, which is level 1. Okay, so for me to earn my profit for today, all I just need to do now is just to click on this icon here. Okay, I'm going to click. It's just like a spinboard here, so we're going to click on it. Okay, and remember, it's going to be it's going to roll for us for 5 times. Okay, so you see at the total, then we're going to be earning 1.30% to 1.50%. Okay, you can see my total balance deposit here. Okay, so quickly let me roll on it. Okay, so I'm going to click on it now. Okay, so you can see this is going to be rolling, okay, until it completes 5/5. Okay, then it means I've earned my earning for today. Okay, so guys, you can see that the grading has completed. You can see 5/5. Okay, remember I'm on level 1, VIP 1, so you can see my earning run. Okay, so quickly let me go back to my home here. Let me quickly show you something. Okay, so if I come down here now, you can see my total earning. Let me quickly refresh to show you something here. So you can see my total earning 3.6. Now I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be getting this extra funds. Okay, now if you come down here where it says customer service, as soon as you sign up and you deposit your funds, you deposit something to this account, you can just click on this Telegram link here. Okay, now when you click on this Telegram link here, it's going to take you to their customer service. Let them know that you've signed up and you've deposited your funds. Okay, it could be that $10 upward, $100, $500, any amount of money you deposit. Let them know that you deposited funds into the accounts and they are going to be giving you some bonus. I think the bonus they gave me is about 3 USDT. Okay, you can see they give me about 3 USDT, and together with the funds that I've earned for today, so you can see that is all I have here presently now. Okay, so you can see my revenue here. Now you can also make withdrawal. I'm going to be making withdrawal from this project to see how their withdrawal actually goes. Okay, now you can see they have this stuff here. They have different accounts here. Okay, so let me click on this arrow here. You see this add to arrow here. If you click on it, you can see one account is called the contract wallet and the other one is called the coin purse. Now it's the funds that you have in this coin purse that you'll be able to withdraw. Do you understand? So peradventure you have some coin here and you want to withdraw it, you can always transfer that funds from this contract wallet to this coin purse. Okay, but presently you can see me, I have 3.6 USDT in my coin purse, so I'll be able to withdraw that. Okay, but peradventure yours is here and you want to withdraw it to this coin purse for you to be able to make withdrawal, you just put the amount you want to withdraw here. Okay, are you going to click on it, put the amount you want to withdraw and click on this confirm, and it's going to take you through. Okay, and also if you want to make your withdrawal, you need to bind your wallet address. Okay, so quickly let me show you how you're going to be doing that. We click on this home here. Okay, so you come down here, you see where it talks about this collection account management. Just click on it here. Okay, you can see I binded my USDT wallet address already, but for yours, you just come down here, click on this add wallet address, then click on USDT. Okay, Then here you'll be able to add your own USDT TRC20 wallet address that you can use to make your withdrawal. Okay, so I think I need to do the withdrawal because this is where most of us actually want to see how it works, because even myself, I've not made withdrawal from this project before. This is my first time I'm going to be making my withdrawal. So I'm going to click on this button here. Okay, so I'm going to be making this 3.6 USDT withdrawal. So I'm going to put 3.6 here. Okay. Okay, you can see the minimum. The beauty of it is that the minimum you can withdraw from this project is $1. Provided you have $1, you'll be able to make your withdrawal from this project. Okay, and I think that's very, very beautiful. It makes it very easy for people to make withdrawal. Okay, then here I'm going to click on submit here. Okay, so if I click on submit, as soon as I receive it, it says select receiving accounts. Okay, so up here I need to choose the receiving account. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Okay, so they're going to be sending it to this wallet address. So I'm going to click on submit here. Okay, quickly let me put in my withdrawal password. Okay, remember to set yours also. So let me quickly put in my withdrawal password. Okay, so you can see it has gone through. You can see the funds is no longer here. So as soon as I receive it in my account, I'm going to be showing you guys my funds, okay, in my account. Okay, so for you to also make extra fund, you can actually invite your friends. Okay, invite your relatives, invite your business associates. You can see up here where it says team here. If you click on this team here, you'll be able to see all the people that you've invited. You're going to be seeing all their details here. Okay, you're going to see all the details here. Okay, so but for you to actually get your invitation link, you're going to click here. You can see where it says invite friends here. You click on it here. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on this referral link. Now you can go to Facebook, go to Instagram, go to Twitter, go to anywhere you can find your friends, invite them. As soon as they join this project, you're going to be making extra funds. You can just form your team and you can earn up to 15% per each person that deposits into this project. You can see it's another great way for you to make money. However, you can still go ahead and do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just actually showing you ways and method on how I make money online. Okay, so guys, I just got a notification. I want to believe that notification is from Binance, a payment notification from Binance. So let me just swipe down. Let me swipe down. Okay, so you can see here, you can see this Binance notification here. So let me click on it. You can see they say you have successfully deposited 3.39 USDT. So let me click on it. Okay, let me click on it. It takes me to Binance here. Okay, so you can see this is the funds. This is the funds I just withdrew. You know, I withdrew 3.6 USDT, but after they took their fees, it's now 3.39 USDT here. So you can see, let me click on it. So you can see it here. This is the funds I just received into my account. Okay, so that goes to tell you that the project is actually paying. Okay, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I just want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.